Biggest murder trial to hit Bardstown could get moved out of the city if Brooks Houck gets his way. WDRB's Lindsay Allen explains the argument his lawyers are laying out to get this trial moved.
And Fallon, no surprise here. They say the publicity surrounding this case is so huge, it would be impossible for Brooks Houck to get a fair trial in Nelson County or anywhere in central Kentucky for that matter. They also don't want the trial anywhere near the Louisville or Lexington media markets. So suggestions his lawyers are putting out there include Boyd or Davis County. Brooks Houck is, of course, one of the 3 men charged with the murder of Bardstown mom Crystal Rogers. Houck, Joseph Lawson, and Steve Lawson are all scheduled to stand trial in February of next year on charges of conspiracy to commit murder and tampering with physical evidence. In a motion filed today, Houck's attorney, Jennifer Henry Jackson, said this, quote, "The sheer amount of publicity this case has received in Nelson County and the surrounding counties is prejudicial in and of itself, but has also generated so much animus against Brooks that if venue were not transferred, members of the Nelson County jury would fear backlash if they voted to acquit Mr. Houck." So there is some legal precedent that's already been set when it comes to Brooks Houck and a change of venue. Back in 2019, when Houck was facing theft charges for allegedly stealing roofing shingles from Lowe's, the court granted a change of venue in that case after his lawyers made a similar argument that he would not get a fair trial. That case was then moved to Warren County, where he was eventually acquitted. So keeping all of that in mind now as the judge is waiting to rule on this motion.
And a high-profile case, no doubt. Lindsay, thank you.
Sure.